Again, remember, our idea is to, okay, so we want to look at, explore the data using the plotting techniques to understand the data and also look for anomalies. So we already looked at histogram and bar chart, which are very good for understanding the data. Then there are some other plots. Scatter plot is one that we can use. So it's pretty straightforward. So for scatter plot, we have to provide two rows, X and Y. Okay. So this will tell you what roles are needed. So we have two roles that we have to specify. And suppose we want LSAT as X, this is lower status, and MEDV as Y. Okay. So now we are ready to look at the plot. So here is the plot. Now we can control the size of the marks. And we can do that by right clicking, selecting graph properties, and then adjust the size of the marker. So instead of auto size, change the size of the marker, so that will, okay. So now you see that most of the observations fall in this range, but there is this one value which is a problem value. Remember, 581 is not a valid number. So we probably need to fix this and come back and plot this again. But this area of the plot seems to be all right. So we can even focus on that. Go to graph properties, and the axis range. So instead of going all the way to 600, if you restrict it to 100, then we can just look at what's going on here. Okay, and you see that generally there is a negative trend, and also note that right at 50 we have a bunch of numbers bunched up at exactly 50. So that is another indication of what we suspected earlier, that there are some property values that are more than 50 are getting coded as 50. Okay. So scatter plot gives you that kind of insight.